Hello all, this is Dathan. Welcome to the Rolex community. Just received my Rolex back from Rolex Boutique Atlanta, Mayors, on the 8th of October. This is now the 9th, so I received it yesterday. I'm going to give you an update on the quality of the repair and the cost as well. The movement restoration was $800. I had the crystal replaced at $135. The crown was replaced at $120, and I had the 18 karat bezel replaced at $1,367.60. Totaled out to $22,60. Of course, it comes with a 2-year warranty. And now we'll look at the service packaging that came in, which is very nice. This is 225 style. You have a nice open case, nice quality. And then as well, if you look at the actual watch itself, this is a 2003 Turnograph, and you can see the quality of the repair pouch. It's nice. As you can see here, did a great job on it. The bezel has been replaced. It has received a polish. This is the replacement crown, 18 karat. And as you can see, they did a full polish of the bracelet. Of course, it's the oyster bracelet. So they've done a beautiful job. I have no complaints at all. If you have any questions, please let me know. This just got back, and so I'm very impressed. I will also list some pictures as well that are a little more detailed. But beautiful, beautiful work. Very impressed. And thanks for viewing my video.